This not having no house, no bed, nothing. They could probably them all help her if like how she own. They could help her if putting things in there. Can you see she a hug up Andrew hug up on her? Me know Andrew go furnish if her.
They never get enough time maybe to do it. So they just wanted to open them. But just want to see the furniture them come in. Yeah, man, they do that all the time.
Wow, this is so. Where them about to feel hold this a man? Where them about to feel hold him?
Their life.
You tell me. In a go stick. It's all go flips. Nah stick.
You see, one time when old people, man, I pray for you.
And yeah, tell me, all the old people we see them the other old one, them get them as up. You think they not go work for Andrew? Oh please, man. The man, so when she go to supermarket, no, she have something in her bank account. She said she can buy something and less money too.
Wow. Yeah, tell you, man. Oh.
And you would what this poke them up and tear them out. Please.
Master, you're hard for them. No, you're hard for them.
That's true. We'll fight them.
The Prime Minister, house and for me. And for me, MP have job fair.
She's
just as you mentioned, not shower labor rights, just as you mentioned, the Prime Minister give out house. Can you imagine one PNP lady will look like she has some sense that she in a picture in an office behind a computer? Coming on the life to comment. When people are dead, then I'm down with her soon.
Did you guys see the comments then that they were writing?
You know why you know about them?
Progress them come out with their mind.
Yes, they were so bad, man.
Then I have to come look out at them bad eye.
May I text somebody? May I
answer?
Sometimes you don't give advice.
Bad man.
Now I give no credence to them. Me I'm happy for my Prime Minister. Me I'm ask God to give him enough life, long life, prosperity, give him more knowledge, wisdom and understanding. There is only one Prime Minister, Andrew.
Ask God to cover him with him. That evil weapon them that form against him shall not prosper.
And who this?
Can you imagine how those kids will feel for this Christmas brand new house?
Exactly. But
some has regularly Greg, who is Greg?
But I think if they had listened to the Prime Minister's speech, they would have realized that of building the houses is for them to
rise up against himself.
It's for them to alleviate crime, and also that the young people them go out, go get job. If I even repair the job, them come get them. Because he want them to be good, upstanding citizens. That is the whole aim of it. And he made it clear in his speech.
Yeah, and the people them to live together in peace. Because definitely must show them say land's not really available of such. So they maybe have to go 2, 3 floor. But you know how the place stay in Kingston. So the people them have
build low, build making flat houses a waste a lot. So if you can utilize the lands and build like 3-story houses, the younger people can go up on top and the older people can go at bottom. That make more sense.
Right.
Rick side,
You know
correct.
what
Rich stuff.
they can put in elevator.
I
Yeah.
correct what guy, I correct what anybody want correct what. We are
He
support
correct what done
freelance.
already.
Correct what we want today.
He
What you
correct what
say?
sell
Like
off.
the projects in America, no one.
He sell off.
You say correct what seller?
Hey, hey.
Yeah, joke, man.
And I want you pipe and cook too.
Plan, can I want correct what? Or a pork you deal with?
Me no cook pork in my shop, you know. I rasta thing with the pan.
Ah, yes.
Put it up.
And Rasta now eat pork, man.
This a rasta,
Exactly.
yeah.
You say you deal with the pork in the shop.
Me eat him, but me no cook in my shop.
Okay.
They
Sparkling, my
know,
God.
they know him not eat it, him not
Hi,
cook in a shop,
Planky.
but he eat it.
I'm just leaving work.
Your intel way, your
Me know you
intel
not
way.
eat for that, man.
You
Frank,
say him have a pint out that you know.
Frank, Frank, what did I say to you before I came over here?
Myself,
Rasta man no
Marcia,
mix
I
up
am
in
not
a
mistaken.
bag.
What did I say to you
So
before
you
we
want
came
to
over
marry
here?
the man and Marcia?
When he the last thing I said to him, I said, Plank, behave yourself. What did he do? I said, Plank, behave yourself.
That's a Rasta man no mix up in a bag around.
But Marcia, I'm not doing nothing wrong.
What
See,
did you
one of
say?
my woman over here, so me can't do nothing wrong.
Now
It's
what you do is
Marcia
what,
there.
now what you do is
I
what
have
you
been
say.
warning you from morning to behave yourself.
Hey, turn that off, bitch.
You identify your name
You
last
turn that
time,
off.
Sparkling, that's
I've been
all.
I've been warning you from
Hey,
morning to behave
King,
yourself.
Sparkling, you
King,
you
King,
identify your
King
name
get
last time.
open my name.
Sparkling.
Hold on, my phone.
But guys, let's be serious. We have to big up the Prime Minister, man.
Oh, yeah,
Vigilant.
so man.
Oh,
100 times.
look on the
Me never
house.
see nothing that not by growing up. Nothing.
Nice house. It come like at the house some of them at in England here with the balcony bit.
Yeah, man, that's how them are. Me not tell you, say, inspired in travel and get inspired, man.
Yeah, yeah,
Nice
yeah, yeah.
house.
You see me? Because them style of house in there, they do over here.
And look how they get is when you get council house over here, sometimes you have to do your own flooring. You have
Yeah,
to
man,
put
them a
in
get
a
it with them. Them
Hey,
a get
King
it. Some
get
of them
big
get
up.
it furnished. Some of them get it.
What?
Them a get it good as
Politics.
Jamaica.
King get big up over Prime Minister PS look a while, you know.
Yes,
Alright.
yes, me hear it.
Yeah, man,
Me
she make
hear
him up
it.
a true. You know, at first,
Where
me
the
hear
female big up King. Hey,
at
Alright.
King.
first, me hear she read out the comments, them, you know.
I first me used
Yeah,
to talk and
normally.
Yeah,
a
she
King
don't normally
she
talk.
big up. She don't
No
normally
man, she
talk.
talk. She was talking in the one that run by Tower Hill. She
Up a
was
farm.
talking
Oh,
as well.
okay.
Whenever you
Because
sit down.
she did a read comments to them. You know, she don't normally read comments.
Oh, that's how we want them to be more.
Me
Engage.
tell her,
Yeah.
me text in her comment and tell her say we want her for 1 hour we live.
Mm.
Yeah man.
Hmm?
Yo, come no easy, you know. Somebody
Hmm?
over there. Oh, can I get one of the food for the
Hold
poor
on,
house?
hold
Okay,
on
doc.
there. Green light, don't go nowhere, no, because I'm here there from man. Lens up your back. Don't go now.
No, but one. Rickster, you never see one we say no money, no vote.
You hear me, green light?
Eh?
Man,
The people are sick.
No man, politics.
come there, man, me
Philippines
there.
take on one, you
Me
know.
come down here.
Just the
Alright.
purchase.
Me a come.
Philippines take on one good, good, good.
Politics, move
Yeah.
from box. I think he might talk.
Oh, Philippine, I'm
You know, in
Philippine,
Nepal,
more than master, and
I
to
chicken
take
them, you know.
No, but them a chat foolishness. The old PNP, them a take that kind of foolishness.
you're not gonna get rid of them, man. Guys, tap up the screen, see the live. Call a truck, what go on?
The people
No go like
exhausted,
him,
man.
but
You
the
see the
people
house,
that
them,
sense.
man?
Chile.
Yeah, man, I see the house, them, man. I see the house, them, man. And them, that's what you call changing people life, man. Change their life, give a different outlook, give a different sense of pride. My
Right.
God, man. This
Me not
one,
understand.
if you check most of them community there where the violence side is mainly because the people them we are cause the problem don't have any investment in them. They have
Tenement
nothing to
yard
lose.
situation, that's why.
Yes, they have nothing to lose. Give them something to protect and they will protect it. When the Prime Minister said we are gonna go through, we are gonna give them let them have them own place. That's
Some
not
sense of pride, you know, so you can a your house, you can keep it clean. You know, nobody can put you out.
yeah. But I feel good. I'm proud to be a Jamaican, proud to be a supporter of this administration. Father strength,
But
One,
no, the,
one woman like box, politics. Yeah, I say you want a food for the poor house. Me tell him I say, yo, this is not food for the poor. Yo. You know me?
Exactly.
That
part
proper
that make me feel
social
good,
housing
you see.
program. No
The
food for
part
the
that make me
poor.
feel good too, and when the Prime Minister say, no, that the Prime Minister, Delman Mackenzie tell them say, if them don't regularize them water and JPS, if them not sign up, them now go get the or them go take the house them from them. So them know so they not joke with them have to do it.
No, but they can't thief like this. So.
Exactly, and then make sure tell them say them go check up on them.
They must follow the guidelines, no.
Yep.
But me not even know
Them
say
get
PM go open the big hotel I know over yesterday. The 1,000
Yes,
room.
I say how they want to work. I want
The man said
2,000.
2,000 of the worker they want and they can't get no worker.
Exactly.
So what people
That's
don't
what
listen
I
to do. You know, say I can't you know
and
why
the
problem
champion
politics?
them sit down and say nothing now go
No,
on.
I know that type problem in a pattern. Remember, say we have an unemployment rate at 3.6, so then probably can't find nobody for work with you because everybody at work already.
Yeah, that the Prime Minister said.
Look at it
I
that
know.
way.
Me I say about how the PNP them a say nothing now go on.
So
You
Rickster,
why
know, say
not
something go on, man. I chat them, I
in
chat.
some houses back that they
Rickster, them
say the
still
people?
can find
They're
people to
gonna
work
he gonna
because
build some houses
So that's the
near
people
to
that
to the
so
the
they have to go
hotel.
down.
Yeah,
Yeah, so they
they can choose when they can relocate.
yeah. Mm-hmm.
Rickster is still a whole heap of young people still now work.
I
Because
remember
all
some
they do
people
is they
say
pan roadside and they go
overpopulation
there and
now.
niggle or a load bus and be a menace to the society. So
So,
they don't want a real work.
so,
You know
And
me,
they are non-ambitious.
you know me glad say Pat and Rixa,
mm-hmm.
them sign a contract. You know
Yeah,
the
man.
little ghetto living where they have their
Yeah,
house and
nah,
then
gonna
put
work.
one corner for your dressing shop, one side for shop and this. Then can't do that round this up.
Nah, gonna work.
You know, you're the man,
Nah,
you
go
know, the
work.
Prime Minister tell them say no
Yeah,
nasty them,
Omar,
you
clean and
want the
all
place
get
keep
the bag
clean.
around with them.
Hmm? To make sure I go check up on them himself. For them have to keep it
Yeah.
clean.
No.
Read through the Prime Minister speech. I hear the subliminal way my drop. You know when
Yeah,
in call bureaucracy when you come out to building the place them. Apart from
yeah,
my talk, you know.
yeah, man. Mm-hmm.
If I red tape with them to get the building pass or a plan pass or the building can start. Too much
Yeah.
red tape.
More fix all of them there, no man. More fix all of them there.
Project Richter, project like them,
Special
yeah, we don't
project
need
like
to go
them,
to
they
the
get,
friggin'
they
Paris
get
Council.
special treatment. We don't need no red tape. You know.
Yeah.
That me say too
Project
bad.
like them, yeah, we don't have to go to no Paris Council.
Mm-hmm. The government project them.
Yeah.
Once we not violate no building code, we should have boom, go
Remember
ahead.
him talk about
No,
the
it's a
delay,
long
you
thing.
know, him a go,
And then I
remember
start
when
the
him not give
progress.
his speech, he talk about it.
And them I
Let's
start the
part of
progress in
that.
the country, the parish road.
Hold on, the Chuck. If you have a
I
Chuck,
can't see when
hold on, the guy. Hold on, the Chuck. If you have a chance to give up Kingston, to give up Clarendon to Kingston, you'd have take it Paris Council.
Give up Clarendon to Kingston. Yeah.
Yeah.
But that's the case.
So me I wonder like how them so them are gonna go a law and them in Maypen have to come down. And we have two stronghold at town for the icons of them dead. Yeah, that means that we can get 15,000 votes in them. Carry too much. No. Too much.
We're not gonna make no difference to the numbers, because I'm not with them council, they're not full council.
The law is simple. The law states that once the mayor is in place, he can't change.
Only been
So
dead.
the PMP them as usual just believe that the law don't apply to them.
Well, yeah, you're right. No, man, what me mean, Riga, remember I feel with two strong goals and them only winning by, well, them no winning. Them only get the mayorship because them get the popular vote.
Mhm.
But we know said them and tone, but everybody at them and tone. I leave right.
That's it. Politics.
Yeah.
The local government act appear if you win them 2 seats they by majority.
Yeah, man, me understand.
But me are not going to change unless
No,
the general
I'm saying that them
municipal
say,
election.
yeah, man, me understand, but them say them can go a court. So,
They can ban a court if they want at the last
no,
get it.
I just said that no one of the thing I'm gonna talk about it from man because but the life
So me now cut your politics. When Donovan Mitchell did that give himself trouble down there, nobody remove him.
exactly. Not only that,
That,
not only that plan. The man them take with it one piece of fool. People voting them to do the government business. We look at the way. The man them come out blatant and said no peace will be there. No peace. And
who said so?
no. Now so he that CN Barnes come out and say
Sean Barton want a shot with one shit gun.
said no peace.
Look like they
After
hear it.
people voting.
You know something I really listen on what PMP say?
I knew
Me not plan.
independent.
How much somebody did on tea time on this? Rickster gone on tea time, Chuck gone on tea time, and what would that over there, so? Miss Green,
I say drink tea. Remember
Rickster gone.
England and all is a drink. Father
Then Chuck.
Chuck.
Then politics, you know, say read the life threatened.
Yeah.
Them post up read the picture all over Spanish Town, panic clock.
Yeah man, them take up too much.
What happened? Tell me what happened. I love hear the sauce. What happened?
Him upon in live, me go me a fast on the For You page. And upon what they get a name Sash name. Me hear the one name the advocate come up there and I tell them at the same time say if you don't hear what go on with Reedy. And then when we switch down, me see Reedy on a live attack. Say man, them pace up the whole line pitch that punish tongue.
For what? Why?
Eh?
Why?
Might be trimmally out from PNP.
No man, and that man though. The guy, remember say him put up young man picture and say him kill the guy away.
Oh.
Man alive the guy away.
What, get analyzed on social media?
Yeah.
So what you do that?
Him better run with if you get views. I mean say as a big man. You the overseas. Why you that do something like that? Why would that be something like that? You overseas and you want to cause people life in a Jamaica as a big man.
Wow. Yeah.
Part of Spanish one and put up a picture of them. In politics, which part of Spanish one and put up in picture?
Me not sure a plan, cause me know say. But me know say there's a lot of like a passa go on with him. I me go on one live and hear them talk about him, and that live our serious live, cause me hear some things on it, man, so them brave me. But you're a girl, what did that talk about him?
One day me notice say, me don't know if a cloud, me no want to say a cloud,
Hold on.
or me no want to say a followers, me no have a man when name Reedy. From one day me notice say, me don't know if a cloud, me no want to say a cloud, or me no want to say a followers, me no want to say a them there something there, because everybody use the same word and me no want to use the same word. From one day me notice say, me hear them always have a saying where them say, big woman no like young girl. And you fall in that space there. It come like no big man no like some of them look a young youth, you know. Because from a day me notice me see you try set up the youth them life on TikTok. Me see you do it with butter and royal dog. And you draw down the youth and you drag the youth and you drag the youth and the youth have nothing to do with royal dog shooting. And now me see you really come back again with them two youth again with Naya. Really, you know come from the community. You know come from Spanish Town. You don't know what go on in a St. Catherine. Really, leave the youth them alone and stop set up the youth them life. The youth them not have nothing to do with Naya killing, really. Really, even the youth family come out, come talk, say this bigger than TikTok. TikTok not have nothing to do with them family killing. Really, stop. Come out, come put up the youth them picture. Like you want man to analyze the youth them. Really, you need to stop for a big man. For a big intelligent man. You need to do better. Stop set up the youth them life. And that you do. Why you set up the youth them life and I tell life and the youth them say the youth them analyze Naya when this bigger than fucking TikTok. Leave the youth them alone and stop set up the youth them life. Every day you sit down in the car and I something when me see the second time now me see you do it. The second time as you see a story, you run with the story and you don't know how the story go. Naya involved in all different type of things. You don't know what Naya do behind TikTok. Stop put up the youth them picture. The youth them not have nothing to do with Naya killing. Leave the youth them alone. Naya family them come out come tell the whole TikTok say this bigger than TikTok. So who you be? If you have the youth them picture, that means they look like a clout you look then. Cause some you put your views, you know, because I set up the youth them life is something the youth them don't know about. If you're a big man, you need to stop, man. And my message that to you, read it. Read it, the man who sit down at the car on TikTok every day. And you, I feel a message that because what you are doing right for your big man, you need to stop. You need to stop.
Big old man there, Canada. Why you not gonna look for work though?
He's a stay-at-home dad.
Yeah, you're right, Petal. That's at the part where she not get rank. I know we're intelligent at this. But may I say you can't do something like that. You can't do something like that.
Hey, one
You
day,
the
they
overseas.
sit down pani live, you know, and tell the people them say, you know, or when predators are released from prison Canada, you get a notice, you know, in your community, you know, you want beat Chuck, you know, not Chuck Finley, but Delroy Chuck, right? Me say, me did it, and me jump on Google same time, and me say, me never Canada, me never see this yet. You hear me say? Him say it's a part of the law. And all the
It's only when
sex
it's mad bad.
offenders.
That's
And
a
all the
lie.
sex offenders.
Sometimes they do. Sometimes they do.
Well, I know, man. Let me talk, no, man. Let me finish my point. Me say, me jump online. Same time, him say the sex offenders registry is open in Canada.
Lie.
Me jump online. Same time, and me look, cause me I say, but me never know this. When me look, it says only available to law enforcers, and it's okay. Them say occasionally, as Petal say, they might release the information about the sex offenders. Occasionally,
Depending
and it
on how bad
depends.
it
It
is.
probably be armed and dangerous, and
Yes.
you know them way there.
And sometimes, let me tell you what happened.
because one time I do like little work where them try to determine, especially when them do some crime against older adults and children. You have some little assessment and some of them I forgot to, right? So here what happened now. You see if they're high risk and them really want to keep them, behind bars or keep them like in a halfway house and then lawyer and then family are push and push. Then we release them under the condition that we notify the public. So a lot of time them agree to it too. You understand?
Mm-hmm.
And you have a special app where you can where you go on, it alert you.
No, we not even have the app.
We have the app over here.
Yeah, America different because even for no registry, we do not like when people do crime and stuff like that, and people behind bars that open to the public. It's not open to the public.
It's easy. Once somebody get locked up, you can go on them name and you see them mugshot and everything.
Yeah,
easy.
we not our own not open. Our own privacy law protect them. So that's why.
And that's why it was easy.
Good morning, Lashika. You know, come see me.
The
with your friend with me tell if you message me, I'll know.
CMR or something. That's why I couldn't understand how people did just so.
Shika, me busy, me busy Shika, right? I mean, I'm
your part life every day.
Oh yeah.
Your part life every single day.
I do.
Your part life from morning till night, till morning till night.
You can hear my earpiece?
Yeah. Yeah, that's not. Also, if I can, did a stop with Chica. Delroy Chuck.
Yeah, Delroy Chuck. When remember them did a talk about the sex registry, and him did a say, same thing. Them I said like they can't make it public, or because people serve them time or whatever. And the whole argument the other day, and him did a beat Delroy Chuck for it, and in Canada this and that. So I said Canada. I said maybe me no live in Canada. I know Predator in my era where me live.
Him the type of people that Jamaica go send money and grow up and tree a foreign, yeah?
That man is a cloud chaser.
Yeah, man, a wicked boy, man. He's a wicked piece of boy, man. He's a wicked piece of boy, that me know.
Yo, man, anything I can reach them, man. Then chat them up.
You see them bring him up, plank the other day. You see them bring him up in a Miller box, and them I say, yo, you have up the youth, them picture for true. And me say, I would hear me say to Chuck them, and I say, say, I really are the wrong. I couldn't believe the time I go for a mill of them live. You remember politics, me I say it?
Yeah.
Me say, yo, he must set up a youth them life because he don't have no evidence. Me say,
Talk like that, we must say facts.
Yeah, the following day, me see them have him in the back and did him deny everything. Why would you put up the youth them picture? You don't have no evidence. I felt the same way like him.
Just because you see the video out and about with the youth them go back up.
Right. But also the youth them are life every single day I promise people G-shot.
So them troll and that them do. You don't understand what they do on the internet, So you troll them
and nobody has sought to stop him and said, don't do that.
People talk to it, but they still do it.
Because of the niche plank. And that they do. You come and troll and chat
every day I promise people gunshot.
But look on it, if you even not do that, look on the little pretty data we have. You have
all the system make negativity, put money in their pocket, so every day they just push the boundaries far till they probably pushing the wrong boundary and go across, isn't it?
Yeah, also at the youth they say my artist and everybody will have up in picture now and attack have him in have up in picture in a box and them a turn judge, jury, executioner. Never pay when I sang them yet.
5,000 pay them.
Never did I get that.
You
will get more than 50 views.
Exactly.
Yo, remember, I see him thing going with CMR case, When CMR case come up, everybody take you up, 1.5 views, 10,000. May I tell you? Them need to leave alone.
When it reads out.
You know, so we don't hear nothing about it. Me just see CMR and him picking them.
Me don't like the new app. Me just got but I fool in it. So can go live.
I don't play a game, I think, man. I don't play a game, really.
Me go me see CMR profile come up and it look like he graduate from some college with him and in 3 daughter them.
Yeah.
Oh, them I go
Yeah,
update.
in I come in because I must say fix that. I wind down
Yeah.
over America, you know.
Yeah, as time go on, them I go update, yeah, make you can post and
But they just go
What,
on
TikTok have a new
because they
one now?
want none of
yeah.
fix
Let
that.
me go over there,
You know,
real
still
that. Go over there, play a
I
game.
run
You
I
know.
run it.
You
No man,
know,
the name
Favorite.
favorite
yeah,
highway one
play.
name.
I real that. Me say over them a couple
Oh,
people.
All of
and
them
me
over there,
see,
man. I Barney and the whole of them over there.
The real
oh,
that.
me see me woman post it too.
Mm-hmm.
So real that.
Huh?
It's a live space. I just go live over there.
You just
Me
go
download
live.
it
I
this
don't think
morning because me wanted
them
to
will
see
start
what it
post
was
like
like.
TikTok yet.
Yeah, just live. I just live. Me don't know if I can add nobody or nothing like that.
Yeah,
When
man, you can
TikTok,
add people
Real
in the
dog,
back,
them
man.
get a
You
push.
can have
Real dog,
You
co-host.
them
can
make it.
add people in the back. You can forward.
Real
Give
dog, them
like
make it.
like this.
It reach far.
Mm-hmm.
They
Like
said the man verify him in a 4 hours. They will not be verify him. Really,
yeah.
really picky.
Oh yeah, I say.
Guys,
Mm-hmm.
we have to go over there with the politics. We can't make it messy.
We can
I
they help
show,
you over there. We have to go over there for early.
That's why me download it. That's why me download it. Because
And
me
that's
say the
the time we
politics, we have
download
to
it.
take it over
when
there.
name favor,
Favorite,
Favorite.
favorite.
we tell you,
Favorite.
download that from my phone there for me.
I remember go over the
Me
play
say,
that.
guys, we
What app
have to
name
go
favor?
over
The
there.
same app on the shirt right
Yeah,
I post.
and they take off, you know, so over there,
Yeah.
go.
Me
Yeah.
say, we can make them over there. Me say, we need to go over there now with the politics. Make we go start it over there. Make them
If I
come see
run
it
one
over
live
there.
over there at the time, I'll see how you go.
hmm We have to go over there, guys. We say, guys.
So you have to get one heap of followers before you can open your box.
No,
No.
you just go
I
live
don't think
just
so. You
so.
can go live same time.
Come go over there and go live
All
for
right, me
couple.
I go.
Candy said Candy said she download it and she delete it. And she said I pay demons. I pay demons money gift. She give them
FAVE.
the money.
Mm-hmm. So when they transfer to give to money no demand it no.
Yeah,
Money said she not like it, she delete it back.
man,
You
boy.
soon download it,
Them
man.
happy I same thing, mama. So
Exactly.
As when she can say,
internet and social
we
media
will go
itself
over there with
internet.
it.
Yeah,
Social
man.
media itself do money. Everything about social media.
You know, go over there, so
Of
let me
course.
see how you go. Make it circle for me. Tap a circle for me. Go over there, look up more.
Me nah make it secret. Me over there already. Lashika over there. Me over there already. Me I go over there with the politics. Me I go preach like Paul same way.
Over there.
You over
Let me
there with
tell
the
you.
politics?
Hold on, let me say something.
I
A
said,
couple decades,
you download the politics.
Yeah.
Okay.
ago, let me tell you, say, we'll get to a time where them will give you the mark of the beast, which is one number. They can find it. Well, I know, but they
You
can
get that
find
long
it.
time.
Everywhere we go in the world. And then I go post you and put it in a whiskey in a one chip. And when they have me realize that the number that they talk about is your cell phone number.
Mm-hmm. And the device of your phone.
Yeah. Anyway, you don't find them.
Anyway.
Anyway, you do. Fine.
And
You.
Once
how did most people get their cell phone? They're going to set up in a line and get it.
they
Nobody
don't
never
post it.
Nobody forced them to get one cell phone.
And
But people might think,
look out the digital change up, you know. I
people
want to
might
put
think
another
that
somebody a chip, you know.
get a one mark by your hand, but in your hand, yes, but another mark.
Hey,
I
say,
just put me in
over
your
the
hand.
podcast. Me go over there, me go live, I'm my first go live out there, oh Lord. Me go live out there and get more working at
You
the
get
country.
you get gift.
When I say politics, yeah, go on.
When me the part of live, me get
What up, name?
Favorite,
Favor.
our favorite that.
Favorite.
Favored.
Favorite.
Favorite.
Yeah.
no, not favor.
Mighty God of Daniel, up name favorite.
Exactly.
What's the
Not
story about
Favorite.
picking it
Somebody
up?
write in the, see somebody write in the,
yeah, but me go over there and run and watch.
I know it's very long. I have an issue. What's he come?
Politics. This.
Good
Well,
afternoon.
I have an issue, guys. Good evening. This $3 trillion nonsense, there's so much. This is getting to my brain, bro. This is getting to my brain. This is like the second video with thousands of likes that I come across because they're uptown and they're so intelligent. Oh, I have a thinking cap. This kind of thinking cap is malfunctioning. How this teaching another missing from a public purse and there's no financial crisis taking place in Jamaica? How is it that $3 trillion is missing and our beloved finance minister was governed up by the IMF to become one of the top managing director within the IMF, the largest world bank? If $3 trillion was missing from Jamaica, he would have looked tainted. If $3 trillion was missing, all of the ratings that we have gotten over the years regarding our credit ratings, how IMF seen us as a poster child, would have been rubbish.
Would have also been under his tenure to winner.
Yeah. Exactly. The article also says there is no missing $1 trillion. Even
but where's the Auditor General though? Where's the Auditor General? She sit down over IC, cock up. She cock up over IC. To Jamaica.
When she left it hanging, she have a due process and a due diligence as a watchdog of corruption to come and tell the people that listen, the money is not missing.
You know who that do good in this situation to as bad as we are talking about nobody now watch news. TV if TV they come out blatant to say all of this of course more people because a lot of people really them just hear things on social media and just build one video about it. But guess what? We don't have no media.
But politics. If the media are your position, then would have come out concluding now here. You think they will conclude now here?
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. We don't have none.
But so, it's not the leader of the opposition.
Not the leader, I said the media. The media are going here.
Correct. It's the media watchdog and where the election, whatever. Those are the people. What the man
no, but that's what we don't have no. If the media they come out and
no, but what I'm saying, what is Trevor Monroe's association, action, whatever it is? Those are the people who are supposed to come out.
Yeah, when we not talk, it's serious, so we not talk because what you mean? You are a young man, and to me, he's a brilliant young man. We do well in and. I will start talking about politics. Me pushing politics tonight. And basically, if I say, I vote for but I vote again because, boy, look at it. Too much children missing. Them all have the Prime Minister court feet. And I like say, whoa, no go so, bro. And I say, oh, hear it on the news and there's a thing where I spread, though, I believe, say.
And this is why so why do we have the action?
$3 trillion, no? $3 trillion, no? $3,000, no? And a $3 million, no? And a $3 billion, no? Bro, 3 trillion.
Caution, do one live and say, yo, Andrew, I want to watch it, not $6 o'clock money. I want $1 million. Him say each Jamaican can get $1 million and change less.
Then I see me here the guy there, Crosskill. One of the Crosskill them had. What's his name on something there last night interviewing?
Simon?
Yes. Oh, yes. Oh my God in heaven.
What Simon I say? Simon I thought the foolishness so?
Oh, even he had what's his name on there? Not, I think it's Morgan, one of them on the program, and he was trying to shut up the guy to literally telling the guy it's not Morgan, but telling the guy it's true. Because each time the guy rebut him, and that's very good. Each time the guy he came back with something else, and I'm like, these people all stick together.
Yeah. It's something that Morgan, what name? Marlon Morgan or Nesta Morgan was
Yes,
there.
no, Marlon,
Marlon.
Marlon.
Marlon,
Yes,
the
They
communication
can't
system.
they can't manage Marlon. They can't
yeah,
conquer Marlon.
he was pretty good.
Unfortunate. It is very unfortunate that what they get called to fight. It is unfortunate that educated individuals, people who claim that they can read, people who claim that they can write, people who claim that they can read with understanding, read an article and came to a final conclusion without looking at the process of how government works, how money works, what is needed for spending, how spending occurs, what is the role of the Auditor General, what is appropriations account and appropriations reporting. They have not gone that far. Entirety and almost at the bottom of the article, at the bottom of the episode, they quoted Calder as saying, all those funds are not missing, blah, 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 blah. But everybody left with $3 trillion missing because Jamaicans love negativity, we love propaganda, and negativity sells. It is easier to say that $3 trillion is missing than saying that the government is prudent in managing $3 trillion. Pick me some up.
But
I
one and only,
expect the
one and
uneducated. I expect the layman on the corner to grab that nonsense, but people who went to university and even had one brain cell of reasoning, who left high school and able to read and write, I can't tell me nonsense about $3 trillion missing.
but one and only, you can't say the people and love the pass. It's just like when you go to the store, right? And they give you
We now we have $3 million, $3 trillion in our coffers. We not even have 2 trillion.
it's just like when you go to the store. It's not everybody who'd spend the time to read through the article to see where they dodged that line. Because I read through it and I saw it. So this is manipulation. It's manipulating
I think
people.
the article was
Anything that they
intended to
yeah.
I think they
Manipulate people
scored.
thinking. Yeah.
If you want to know
I think
the nature of a story, look on the headline. It's
Where's
big
the,
and
where's the
fat.
Oh,
where's the minister's rebuttal to say not no go so? Where is it? Because
Them
I
not
had
sure that
no, I think I had it on my phone and I just deleted it. Maybe we need to circulate that.
Yeah, but the
people
article, you think green or promote, come put up an article saying the pyramid, them some they say $3 trillion are not missing.
that would have never happen.
Wait for it. Wait
So
for it.
who send something to the editor to the editor? Somebody need to send something to the editor.
and they were the same
But now them
people
are gonna
who,
run with Mama D now say she should stand trial in the statutory declaration case.
But they have Dwayne Bars went to trial, had to pay money, right? And go to the due process. Michael Phillips is also before the court regarding his statutory declaration. So when it can come to me,
Michael Phillips go for more than that. Michael Phillips go for beat woman. Natalie Nita go for beat man. Joel and Silvera, I not even know if them probably send him go to Cuba some of the time and he go come back to in court to analyze his wife for the one of them did a try cover up so they can kiss all the way ass. That's what I have to tell them.
Want to Philip Paul will baby madam daughter.
You wait till Leoda start sing like the canary. Just wait.
That's
Good
not
day,
figuring.
guys. What is even puzzling
Yes, go.
too is the fact that Mark Golden has a vehicle that has not devalued since 2000.
Maybe
Mm-hmm.
it's a vintage. Maybe it's a vintage. Must be a vintage.
No, the
And
fact
I
is
start
this
something
Something,
for
vintage
it.
something like that.
vehicles, no, but vintage vehicle would devalue and eventually increase in value. That is how vintage vehicle works.
Mm-hmm.
But from 2000 and 2000 right back to now, the value hasn't dropped any at all.
No,
So
I
what
think
kind of vehicle that? A house?
I
Pardon?
am to Dr. Peter Phillips' statement, and what they have there is purchase price. So it look like that 10 point something million dollars is the purchase price. Not the actual true value of the vehicle as it is today, but the actual purchase price. And that does not make any sense to me. Why would you want to have the purchase price? Because of the value of the vehicle. But it is the purchase price.
Hmm.
So what is the exemption?
Explanation beside the purchase price.
I think there should be a
And over
specific.
the years, it continued to be the same thing for him.
There should be a specific guideline or a form or a format as the way how you do a statutory declaration. There shouldn't be nothing more than that. You fill out a form, it's anything, that's it. Then we won't have all this problem.
So obviously the IC is not doing their job, because if you can find interest into another man's business, right, because of his name, with the intention to smear the prime minister, then you should be able to find the time to go and peruse Mark Golden's assets from 2000 up until now, because I
But
believe that all his assets were not in a trust from 2000. Things
no,
that
Cass,
happened during the period of 1997 up to
I think they will do
2005.
they will do it differently than time then. I must say the IC only just come in what 2017. So then probably have a
Yes, but
different format.
When you have
they're still
contractor
they're still
general
Contractor
privy to that
General.
information. So you see, there are so many things that they should be looking into once you're scrutinizing each member of parliament. But yet still they fail to do it, and they're only focusing on the prime minister. But it's such a pity that if the prime minister should sue them, it's gonna affect our pockets. It's just such a pity.
No, me no. We see if we miss something in the whole of this, because we always just say, why they not do the same thing with Mark Golding and Ray. If Mark Golding and the people them are working like cahoots, how them are going to investigate into the level where we would expect it? Not go happen, because we have them in our pocket and them are work for all of them expectation that we have. You see, man, I search for the man declaration in no time and put out it on a Sunday when the conference are key. Unheard of. Just that for sure you say, they, them pot, him have them pot right in our back pocket, him have them too, and that's in our front pocket.
as a PNP work, on see
See me?
all the mayor don't a Mandeville
Ganja.
through the man don't a Mandeville through the man suit. Then revoke him permit, keep him annual party, and then revoke him permit, and him who that plonk,
Black
and
milk.
him stopping KFC building. No see, 'cause the man switch.
And that one,
Hmm?
And that they go and get it clear now, though, because you open.
A KFC clear?
Yeah, man, the KFC open.
Okay, but in stop in party.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
KFC open about
They
a
don't,
week ago, or so 2 weeks ago.
And
they don't stop it. They just revoke the permit.
Permit.
the
But him still
permit,
a look
yeah.
yeah, he still a look place to keep it in talk with the Manchester high school principal, Mr. Gabriel, to move the party go there. But actually switch, man. Me not say actually switch, man.
Yeah, but we just show you how PNP brawling with them.
Oh, they go to work.
JLP always
And we alone have,
we,
we
we,
alone can't Joel.
we can't do this and we're not gonna do that. Them brawling with them something. You switch, watch out for where we are tap your KFC and we are tap your party. And they not care.
Mitchell shouldn't that me they shouldn't not even did it right now because I under fee what 400 million miss.
And the Manchester Corporation. Mm-hmm.
Hey. And then the shoot one look in they got prison for it and them still out there.
And you they look up drunk or them talk
Because
about
they
it.
know say not get no long time fix.
Listen, man. The PMP I try to grab at every straw they get. One time it was the illicit. One time I was 28 bank account. One time I did this. Now this and Taran that anything they get after them I grab at time. So not to pay them no mind now when they talk about no 3 children the line of that.
Wait
That
in
just waste
here.
people energy.
This morning I was listening to Dojan live and I think Dorlan was making a point and I think people didn't really understand what he was trying to say about the things them come up with and Sully the Prime Minister character. He must say basically the Prime Minister has suffered reputational damage. I think people never understand what he was trying to say. And they must say, no, this, no, that, and whatever. But listen, as a politician say a while ago, the guy say him not vote because of this and because of that. And some of the time you talk to people and people who you think would know better, you hear them and say, so why, me just give you one example, like, so why,
So late, man.
hmm?
Oh.
So why Andrew this and why Andrew that and yeah, things so them people should even repeat that nonsense. The pepper can know them people around with them.
Let me tell you something. You have some
Can't
people
put
out
them in
there
the other one.
they're really weak hearted.
Like wings.
Their heart weak. They tell you the least thing they see,
You
no
can't put
matter
it in
if
the
them are
country right.
PMP or JLP or whatever. If a headline should come out a morning and say Mark Golding go prison, even if I not so, he might go lose a lot of support.
Jamaica
How many
876,
people
let
are
me
going to
ask
do
you
it?
one question. I understand what Petala say and I kind of agree with what she has said. But let me ask you one question. You see, if them always say there's three sides to a story, my side, your side, and the truth, don't. But if me continuously I hear one side of the story, what you think me I go believe?
The ones
I
that
say no man.
because you
Yeah,
see
the one side.
when
If me continuously hear say yo, this man a thief, this man a thief, this man a thief, this man a thief, I me not hear nothing. Me not hear the other side, I me not hear the truth. We say alright, we have a body that is set up to protect the integrity and prevent illicit enrichment. And me now hear say this man and the organization is at it or the agency is at it. What do you and the media is not doing any investigation to say, say this way happen, but when we did our investigation, this was proven. So when the people, because people believe and depend on traditional media, right? Even when they went out and then put out a headline, property connected to the Prime Minister, owned by the Prime Minister. People depend on them thing, yeah. People are expecting the truth that will come from them people. Yeah. It's not a lot of people eyes are open like me and yours.
right? It's not a lot of people, especially in our rural communities, are privy to the information that we are privy to. Understand me? That we will sit here. A lot of people can't even get internet to come and join us on some of these lives. So they are really making inroad with the propaganda. They are you have people who are really just sit down and depend on TVJ news.
And Dr. Andre Stevens, like when if you can go over and see 8,000 people are listening to him and them are share that all of that lies and that propaganda from him come out, and we were saying this from him come out and I call up the prime minister and the prime minister wife name all him, they should do something about him, and people were like, who are listening to a madman there, who are listening to this, who are listening to that, eh, him a one
That
of
man
them.
sat and that man are one of them who damage the prime minister's reputation. All him should live to tell a tale.
Better the way
Yeah, my.
before me start come on TikTok. Me used to listen to him. And I said, how where this a boy a come from a talk so much about the Prime Minister?
Look here, you know what? I'm gonna tell you what how we catch people. You see, when with Donnelly case, when Donnelly mother used to feed him the information, and he usually Miss Sophia, and people were so curious and wanted to know what going on with Donnelly. That's how he attracted this audience. And then when after Donnelly, the policeman get arrested and he not have nothing more, in turn to the prime minister. So one day my mother said to me, say, you not hear what one. You know all the boy Andre usually come and talk about Donnelly case. Guess who him a cuss now? Me say who? He say the
Miss
prime
Honest.
minister. The prime minister wife and Mrs. Honest started first, you know.
Yeah
Me
man, I
say,
Miss Honest, he
what?
start with first man.
So she said to me, say, listen, just don't start, just listen and you hear. Me said, just one night me over hear him, but what me say? Me you see the Jezebel? He
And
claim
him
that.
really have petal and him really have sensible people listen to him.
Exactly.
Him really have
I see a
sensible people.
Christian woman,
Thank you,
Christian,
Trudlin. Thank you. Wow.
Christian woman,
Him,
and 8,000 people over there listen
mhm.
to this pussy night time. And to every night him come with in dramatic style. Oh, I'm
Me
never
say,
telling you this
petal,
tomorrow.
me that
I'm
tell
not.
them the other night, say, me have to draw up my father him in come and send me in channel or something. So me just call him and me just put him in a place, you see, petal. Me have to drip up the big man in a petal. Me say me have to drape him up and put him in a place, you know.
You do something in a chica.
Me say me drape him up, man, and put him in a place. When I time me all load up him out attack louder than me just start shout. Hear me, all people them not call police for me. Me say petal, me just start shout. Me say where your voters ID there? Me say me I send them my voters ID. Do that and beat me. Me have to put him in a place, man.
Right, you know, my mother said if I never bought that boy there all night supermarket, and me give him one fat box. That's how much
Then
man.
petal, you know, see myself cake petal.
You know,
Gatekeeper said, must leave him to God.
it nasty, it
Gatekeeper said,
nasty.
leave him to God.
God
The
no want,
Bible says faith without work is dead. The Bible
yes,
says also be harmful as a dove, but be wise
strong
as a
family.
serpent. You know, stay there. Oh,
God no want nothing to do with that the serpent. I mean, don't know what on him then the dirty cake the way my selling look like he want bathe off in some jays and metal.
One
What
up
the
to know, you know.
ignorance.
One up to know. Batty boy get traction, you know. And them a batty man, so people are gonna listen to them.
True, yeah, talk.
The big old careless woman them when I nothing to do when I no man to feel up the
True.
gear front and them still gonna give
Exactly, man.
$50.
Yeah
How
man,
many
batty
times
boy get traction, man.
play
Man,
and he make up the story them he make up the story them, and because then like them have such desire for gossip and tear down people, they sit
I
down
munch,
with
Because
Christian.
he flamboyant, man, and
I
he
munch me say deal with me wicked this way.
Mm-hmm. What
Munch,
for you? Hmm?
munch tell him say him granny, him mother dash him over Schumacher
you
gully.
know about that, you know. You're not
And
sure
I,
about that.
and him mama dash him over Schumacher gully and him granny go pick him up. Full of
Mm-hmm.
shit.
But in the over shoemaker, I don't remember when in the trouble Vegas and Vegas, we need to ask Vegas for the video there. Vegas just have him video and look like one skeleton, you see? And Vegas just put up the picture. Vegas no call him name, you know. Vegas just put up the picture and rub him. And from that, me no hear in trouble Vegas again. And people are come after Vegas. I say, but oh, you shouldn't do this and that and
I
mental.
show him a Batman, man.
They never know say him have mental illness when he match up with Vegas. He must go around and say
Yeah.
the worst things against people. But me blame, you know what happened? Mrs. Wellness and the PM, they thought that because him a tell lie, and they thought that, oh gosh, whoever the campaign, they thought it would go away. It did not go away. People just kept building and people just come and add and then he start team up with everybody who against them start team up with him.
You see
I
this
never know.
last report. You see this last report by the Integrity Commission sent out. Andre Stevens first me talk about it, you know. And first me start talk about it on him program. And that's why I know say
No,
this report are bullshit.
no, Jamaica. You, Richard, are the first person to start talking about it.
Well, me
What
say
did what did he say?
when me here.
What did
Cause
Richard say?
he might talk go on when the report come out, man. And the people must say to him, say, overcharge stamp. How you know that? He said, don't worry yourself. Everything what me I tell you know true.
Oh really?
And so said, so done.
Who said
You know,
Tony?
say
Eh?
liberals they want to lose the election, you
Who said
know.
that?
What say, Shika?
Who said that? Where did I say earlier? Who said?
You, Richard, man.
Mm.
And I think of home discussion. I said to him, say, oh, you know that, and the report not come out yet. We know. And the same time, John Pollock posted on his status.
But me know John Paul of course it before it get tabled. That much me know.
Yeah, because all of them are get information before it even reach a court.
In Parliament.
Hey, more the Prime Minister said a thing like down one of the African country, man. Once you talk anything about him, hereditary, man, you get locked up or charged.
Well,
Yeah.
them a
Them
go
fi
say
have respect.
them a go say I'm a dictator, but him should have did that
He should
sue.
have done that a long
Him
time.
should have sue them from
Not
one.
like in a COVID, when the boy this him and tell if he go what he go do with his mother. And the police then go find him under in bed. Me and my bad man still know how to do it. See me bad man friends still know here. Still know I try hide. Where you get catch. Right. As we say Peter, Andre Stevens should have more to that for a long time.
What Peter Bunting posted, the Senate President cowardly abused of privilege today, saw him read an inappropriate, possible libelous message for International Anti-Corruption Day. This continues the JLP's vulgar attacks on the Integrity Commission by its parliamentarians, cronies, and cumbullers. I wonder what a Sandy Golan responded and said, this was vulgar though if hypocrite was at work when he said opposition senator reject finding of sweetheart deal. Good.
Yeah, wait, the whole of them should start to rap pampas, man. Them but they go twig. It's somewhere I go on a Barbados just implicate Mark Golden big time.
What,
Make them
what
FBI.
Dirty John Pollock, I guess Emily Shields did a rub them today. As the speakers remember that in August, Holness was director of Estate Bridge. and because he knew of what was coming, he made sure to clear out. Where is children? Not his, not interest. Where is IS children? Get the money to put up that development. Mumbo will them born in the riches. Sorry, politics. Sorry, politics.
Sheikah, where your name pan the something? Sheikah gone.
Yeah, man,
Yes, I
right,
know.
I'm love Lashika. Lashika,
But
Chuck Finney over there. I go look for politics over there right now.
me
Yeah,
over there
pussy.
has plank M.
Every time that man post something for Twitter, me go post in like, wait till me sit down later. They go say, me want back with foot, bring back the foot.
No, but labor rights. Yeah.
Anytime you see my mother call me,
You
my
can go and
mother
join up.
start talk about politics, man. My mother said, Jesus Christ, man. They don't allow man alone. Yeah, man. One to call the Prime Minister name, I'm going to get in a trouble. So if you go,
Two they ask what is the name of the new app. Two the one know the name of the new app.
plank. So they need favored. We go over there, a world dog and Swiss lead the panic. And you don't know what they do. If price then cheap and a rickshaw. And at a 50 kind. Wheel at 250 kind.
But the plank you got need a
Oh,
money already.
We go over,
thank
we
you.
go, let me sign up early, man.
Gift then cheaper. Cause TikTok I take TikTok
20
a
give them
thief, you know.
cheaper.
Me probably
Yeah,
not
me
take
a
as much as
cook.
we TikTok in a take.
Me a cook dumpling and soft yam and salt mackerel. Where's the dish? When we get paid for it? Okay. Sparkle, how you know me
So
a cook?
this new app is the new TikTok
It's not
That
TikTok,
they
it's
say.
just a new app.
It's just a new app like them
because
want to
remember
get
they
TikTok
said
a
in the
cook.
states. Remember they said that
Yeah.
the states gonna lock down TikTok.
Me not think so still, but me could go on.
Oh
They
God.
were, they were banning man.
Better. Them say them a go ban it, but them a go do something about it.
Where you call me
These
for
are them.
plan?
TikTok no come like look
These are
like you know
them.
run the night food, anyway.
These are them.
Uncle Sam not the panda.
These are it already signed, but them say Donald Trump. I go extend it. Them say Donald Trump I go extend it because what you mean? You can't under.
You can't you have him powers, but he can't do it.
You want right planting?
Dana, what champion go do?
He can't get
You want to
involved if he
extend
want to
it.
get involved.
Them already say I go extend it here. You don't listen to news. All the thing you watch a be a Polish for your phone. Alright. You listen to news? What them say about what them say about the storm I go on the other day? How much truck crash? Okay. She listen news, but she not care about that petal.
Hmm.
All right, DJ, you talk too much now.
No father's one child. And a father's one child plan.
Frank, how do you know? You know what? How do
And the thing about it, she born October just like me, you know.
Betal want go on.
Me not going with nothing. Me just there watch his space, so.
Okay.
Me yes, them plan for the press conference about Mama did today.
But,
Oh, the PNP them?
Mm-hmm.
but what them can do, them can get out with them. Because I know I find and
The parliamentary opposition is calling for Prime Minister Andrew Holness to give up ministerial oversight of critical government agency dealing with real estate amid conflict of interest. What are the conflict of interest?
oh, so you might give more poor people house.
Mm-hmm.
Well, no, but
And
and
then
no,
born Marky G, you know, because Marky G knows said he can't in enough space when incident that. Them all come with no me know, you know. He knows said no in enough space.
We may have done from morning.
You understand? So any works no.
them man make it bun them.
Words of righteousness do it so
Oh,
much.
No,
for
we
me
not gonna
pay,
England, man.
for me
We
pay
not
me
gonna
do something,
England.
you know, man. For me pay me do something when me vex. But you know, when Damien, where that one here work out about social media and them I go past social media with them page and the PM with tap go live. Me did vex. Although the PM never turn on in gift, he never turn on in gift something.
Never turn on it. He never turn on in this gallery. And people can go in and back. You know how much me see? How much time me see it PM live and people gone up in our box and play match? You never see that politics?
No.
Yeah, even the other day when them do the house opening, the
They
NHC house
live, but
opening,
they're not
when
playing
you were
much.
the 100 hard house. Hmm?
They wasn't playing. They were just in the box.
Then, but even at the box and I tell the females them I play match.
You know, if you play much, if the Griff gallery turn off.
The people them don't know. Them just add
Make
it.
it make sense.
They just add it. They just go in it.
Mm. But you cooking soup?
You hear Pata boy? Me not
Turn on the
drink
camera.
soup.
Let me see where you cook.
How them, when I love tell how a casco and sparkling. I wanna not,
Yes.
well, me not say you turn on your camera, me not go.
Me I cook
Start,
dumpling
sparkling.
and
So
yam.
let me see what you're cooking.
When the finished product, me show you.
But some people not turn on their camera.
Casco
Me
love
go
tell
stop.
people to turn on camera
Me go
and not
stop.
turn
Me
on
go stop.
PR1.
Turn off. Me go stop. Turn on my camera.
I have turned on my camera already once on Kiz's program. So if you missed it, that's not my fault.
Yeah, go call up on your number, open up your camera.
How you do it already?
Me not do it yet.
Oh.
I will ask a question there.
One sparkle.
Sparkle? No, baby.
Yeah.
But you see, me true man end up on the app. Hey, you see that politics?
Mess.
So the one J Brown
Or,
and post up
I
another
see a walk on.
Last cheap as a
Marcia.
story
What
come to gum.
happened?
Marcia, tell me to
Marcia.
behave myself from morning. Me don't know
But
what
me
she
and
about me.
Marcia talk politics. Marcia walk, oh, Marcia upset to the PMP, then Marcia just stop this them from morning.
Me say
I'm
Marcia come off
invective,
and
man.
metal.
Hmm?
Me say because Marcia not get too cold yesterday, Marcia go over on the next platform and Marcia cut.
know what, boss? Your blood did a boil.
Yes, the master could still in blue, can you get sharp cool in a man.
Yeah, man, boss. Yeah. Up top, what
You have
gonna
to
be boss?
go up and live with Cole and Cole at Shaw and I don't know live you have to go up and go rub him.
But
Look
me I
here.
understand Petal. I want you to feel. I want you, my eye that
I'm
send him
top
more
shop
money. You know?
general.
But
Me and
when
Well,
me and Cole send one peace treaty over VG live because with a talk, right? And me I said to we talk about the different programs them and stuff like that. And me I said to him say he must feel the youth them and you know art. How can you speak negatively against art? Forget about. Alright, fine, I don't want to give Michael Manley credit for art and this. I not care who want to get credit for what. But
Marcus, see that.
right now this program is
Okay, so
available.
above it door.
Right now this
What?
program is available and why you're not encouraging
Big
youth
chef.
them.
Okay?
So
I'm coming to Sam.
we say,
Of
all
course.
right, total. Me I got this, me I got that. And we sign one peace treaty over there. Oh.
Well, in not supposed to interfere with group on top, but in love African food. We not so friendly with them. Only politics with that.
But I'll be dancing, you make a laugh. Because with the fun.
Our plank cook.
But guess what? I'm Marcy, I'm making come up because I'm in the minute.
I'm not
Marcy and Petal making come up.
Petal add cool and look for you.
Yeah, because I was gonna ask him what I was gonna ask him. Okay, so what are you guys saying about how the TVJ had was to come out with a big egg on their face to apologize to the prime minister? Him no one talk about that in public talk about African food. So I tell him say no, we're not so close enough to talk about African food.
Cool want
Yes,
him.
wait, 2 4 o'clock.
Cool want him back if them
But
money.
no serious, guy.
And I somebody else say my yell. I saw him talk.
Him alone now go a war, man.
Him
But
alone.
me just feel for Petal send him a little change.
No
I
man.
when Petal come, Petal get a couple soap tea, man.
You want know the funny thing about the trip? When
You see the condition of the man.
when I reach back home, I find some soap. I find some soap in the bottom of my suitcase. Me not even know how that happened.
Only covered look so, you know, like how the man looking, you know. Man look, run down, you know.
You swear me I cook Petal?
That way
Salt
I'm
mackerel.
me not name salt mackerel. Salt mackerel right.
Right. And dumpling and plantain and yam.
Where banana there?
Me
What
no
kind
eat
of
banana.
dumpling?
Cornmeal dumpling. Me no eat banana because dog no eat it.
Okay. When you finish, you just call me have mine, yeah?
Of course.
Hold on, how to
Anything.
do it so at
I'm
first
a
never
few
the
I'm a
practice
few
that.
doors
I
down the
want
road
to
from
man the
you.
light one.
All right, baby, come.
He
Y'all come
come
to
like
Casco?
you know so funny guy there he come like he live them good of everybody depend them a try case.
I'll never fail.
Them if
Yeah,
leave
but
it
it's just me
alone.
come on and
I'm positive again,
let me
yeah.
say something around.
I'm gonna
It's time I come to me resign for Christmas break, you know.
Why?
Look like people that really resign now come back till February.
Them better
You going on
leave it
vacation?
alone.
Yesterday on Classics Live, Classic showed the breakdown of what their name? Jamaica. What the group name? Jamaica what? Jamaica group or Young Jamaica?
Young Jamaica.
They think that Young Jamaica. But the thing that they sent out showing what the mayor can reasons as to why the mayor can step down. So I get to understand say you Blair went on a live this morning and start tell them about how the boy Classic come diss up Dayton and him just jumping at the box and just diss him up and cuss him out to Dayton. Cause him no know him a come tell lie on Dayton. So classic say him just comment tonight and say, at what point did you come on my life? Because for the entire life you were never in my box
My
or
God.
came in the comments. So you see how them stay.
My
You see
God.
how them stay.
You
Just to
Richard,
get a
you
forward,
Richard
just to get a hype.
Who
you
near
Richard
Susie?
erratic forward. You only put dirty one that claim to real estate.
Hey, I want to tell her, say,
She
I
depend
hear,
she named Susan Henry
yeah,
Susan
I
Henry
hear
Facebook.
you, Richards, go on it this morning and send up one labor right. He send him with a grass that he will grow.
Them a get desperate now, man.
Let's say, and when you Richards done, if man not a chance to answer him back, he tell the man them say, kick him out of the back. Cause they love them we go through him mother. Anytime
How
you take
far?
them over here, man. You just send them up in a them mama.
How far
Me
live?
nah go me nah go pan no live with no PMP. All this morning, me dey on my stream live. Me see how timestamp in I comment down and I comment. So I'm stream live, I'm stream live and I'm stream friend, me no bother block him.
Right now,
But
Sam
anytime you
Sam,
over politics, anytime you over here, son, then come over here, so me a block them.
Mr. Shanstam over here since we start.
I just think,
Yeah. I said you send me go search.
Where you
I
say,
said you send me go search and no female petal.
we see you join the live earlier. Where you
yeah,
say,
man, we join a couple times.
mm-hmm.
Me already invite him and he no come.
Your mother needs to see me over here.
Yeah, man.
You invite him, politics for
Eh?
you
I
invite him.
want to talk to him.
But he not go live again. He still a go live.
I cool out, man. I said to him, I said, cool out because near my play right.
Then I tell you, so nobody much now the live again, regard. I feel look what I scroll through TikTok. About
It a quiet.
100 live with a guy picture with everyone have
He
over
appear, but
1,000 people.
cause that a trend, so everybody a
They
try
need
clout
to
off of it.
leave it alone. They need to leave it alone.
Mm-hmm. I just
Yeah,
clout chasing, man. And that's all Jamaicans do, you know, when they come on to certain things, you know. Run with it.
yeah,
To get views. But views are no gift. When they see enough people in the live now, you hear them start say, send gifts, send gifts.
exactly.
Because they're not talking with sense.
No,
I pay rubbish. Be a rubbish.
And when we go over there, we gonna give them strength.
right now I one live a whole crowd and me always say why the live have crowd and not because I really politics, because some group of people in Jamaica will always support that live. Because whether we like it or not, a lot of homosexual in Jamaica.
I wish live that politics.
Ask Petal, no.
It's a such man live.
Yeah. Brother, what I
Hey,
mean,
Mr.
over there, you
Touchman.
know. My
Hey,
good
politics. You are
my
I tell you
no
what,
good
pastor
such man
like.
page.
You
my
are no
good
pastor like such man. You know no politics.
and that my friend, what I time I go over such man live and I say, oh that guy Mr. Oh you talk like you know straight so. Yeah, block him. Then yeah, no, block him. As a must cave in live on a cause somebody will live on a cave, no know say me a fish. I say, oh, when we reach there, so, man, when me I grew up in a guy, when me I grew up in a one fish did in our community. And you did, I could have rain a fall. You dare not drive in the backyard there, you know, man. Because if you ever drive in the backyard there, I make nobody see you.
Mm-hmm.
You're done for. So, no young boy in our community. Nah,
Yeah,
drive with that man there. I know. Everybody just get comfortable.
Yeah, man. The people then look much man there Jamaica. Jamaica look much of them are run
You
crack.
can
What them
run
a
back
do
in the
now, you know,
truck and
them are
one of them.
exploit the
Don't
American
make
border,
it
you know.
public of them.
And I run go
Yes.
over there and I say, hey, you know, some people
Look
are
up the
trying to kill me at
charter.
Jamaica, right. You understand? So
Yes.
that enough
Yeah,
of them I
public
use.
of
Enough of them down there, man.
Yes,
See what
Salom.
remember say one go stuck over Mexico over there and talk over there dead for
Yeah,
hungry, you know.
dead with laugh when me. Oh,
Me let him know
Mexican.
if he
Why
me let him know which party, you know, if he come back.
You know, I get stuck in Mexico. You know, I can't tell you that.
Oh, we can't understand the language here. What man say? The man say, I go to Panama or Dominica, book a place and go sell out in here.
To
Cause
go back
watch
to
this.
Jamaica?
To make more money for carry on in journey of America, the man say, I go.
Watch.
Somebody don't know.
Sprat man, but in the pan TikTok.
One at
Then you
TikTok.
got that thing up with the free train, my going to Galan.
When
Yeah.
him? When him?
Tiki, Tiki. Now,
Me
in the
see.
pan a video when the man, when the man say, he stuck in Mexico and he can't understand the language and he don't like your food.
Tiki, you're mad man, you know.
I don't know, man.
The
You
little
know, say
dirty
I
boy
woman
put up
them.
on him.
I woman them endorse them, innit?
Yeah, yo,
I said they're funny. Kiki.
yeah,
Then
Right,
you
Tiki,
joke.
when Tiki are cussing.
yeah. I will not support. You know, say I will not
On
problem.
him spell. Me never see him.
Tiki.
I female
Tiki,
my
I mean,
problem. You know?
he always just up
In
in
Yeah,
our
yeah.
woman church hat.
with
Me
Oh.
bet
lipstick
you
on him
send
mouth.
him. Me bet you send him gift already.
And he more big. No, me not
I
send
wanna
him
they
any give.
cussy,
I think
cussy, 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 sprat
he
them.
come from Christian end. A Christian
Oh,
where he come
Are your
from.
neighbor?
I walk by him.
Huh?
Are your neighbor
Understand?
Sparkles?
No, me never.
You search him, Betal.
Yeah, me see me done church at one big mouth black boy.
Yeah.
Uno do it. Uno a problem. The
When Tiki
female
go,
them a mash
when
up the
Tiki are
sex house.
I
cussing,
woman them, yes, I woman
me
them
don't know if
endorse
I
them
get
for
them
joke.
the word they
Yeah, man,
from.
the female them.
I'm calling their sister. For they say, Batty
Your
boy, you come.
sister. And
For
nothing
their
wrong
sister.
with it.
Are they
um,
auntie? The auntie then call them auntie.
Rickstar, you see because, let me tell you, you see because me work amongst them, both
Work with them, but me not
gay
call,
man and lesbian. So
me not play with
me
them.
interact with them on a daily basis.
Me
So
give
it's
Not
no
just
my neighbor.
natural, innit?
me give no the joke about when I
Me,
work. When I work, them I order food, right? But yeah. Me no want to order no food. Me no want him to never buy no food and care for me,
Hey,
right?
tell her secret.
So
You might be surprised who want him.
listen no, guys. Then come to me like he smell it, he catch the reeks and me no want him order no food for me, you know. So instead them I go to Uber Eats. If me want go eat on the Uber Eats order, so me say okay, no problem, cause we go to Uber Eats and the Uber Eats, them I go
mm-hmm.
confirm the order.
Yeah, at least nobody touch
Bam,
up your food.
bam. Me go to the Uber Eats. Then me just long and wait. Me don't go hear my man come back and tell me say, listen, them place the order. Me say okay, good. But now with Uber Eats, him a go pick it up. Blouse and skirt. Me say me want dead. Me say if one old lady them me go right in at the all same time.
Fix.
They tell us they go for the food, you know. And him take the then take the ever him and one next girl. The two of them come back with the burger
You
and me say
leave Tiki alone.
me
A
want
sweetheart.
dash for the burger and I say cheese and pizza. Me say anyway. Then come with the burger, the girl come with it. Me say, "No open my phone." She said, "No." I'm a pray over my phone and I eat it. You see, fan
So
that?
Petal,
Hmm?
Petal,
Hmm?
sometimes most of those gays they work behind the counter at these
Right,
fast
me know
food
that, but what
restaurants.
I no see art no leap. What
You
I no see
understand?
art no leap.
Yeah, cause
All
at least
when,
he don't know how we must serve. He don't know say I feel
all when
food
me
with the
hear him
man.
say, man, him man
So
grind.
eventually I'm gonna touch it in it.
Papa!
I
Sparkle.
know the
I
idea of
want
touching the
to
food.
have
Me think
conversation. I say,
petal worry about.
man, grand and vehicle and everything there. And my Sparkle.
Granny business.
Me I tell you,
Nasty
say.
get.
That's at the
So,
least, petal.
so
That's
you
at the
know what me just
least.
say? You know what me say? Me see I when me work day before yesterday and he work and he might come and tell me, but oh where me say,
Petal.
me don't want no food. Me don't want no
Me
thing.
wrong your petal.
Petal.
No, I
Me
don't
say.
care if them are gonna do
Petal.
Uber Eats or whatever because the last time
Petal.
the Uber Eats are that change to pick up. Yeah?
You see, you know a big stone them a roll down off a hill.
Leave
Them
the
a have
girl
like
alone, please.
landslide also.
Rashika,
As
leave
a
the
pity
girl alone.
look.
Leave him
As a pity
alone.
look.
You know
Pity
what
just you
girl?
know
Leave him
one big
alone.
old rock stone.
Don't
Uber and Titi, man on top.
Don't let Titi come to you, no, Rashika. Leave him
You
alone.
got to
He
pick
can.
Can't come for me.
Hey, if you ever
Pity
cuss
say
you
them
have
big
your clothes off
stone.
for you.
Yeah, in cause
There's
of
a
the
new
clothes off
restaurant
for
that
your
opened.
We I give Mario
There
my
was a
box.
new
Mario
restaurant
want
that
come up.
opened yesterday, guys. And them sell tacos and all them something there. So I say, yeah, we can try tacos again in Jamaica. And I going at the place, the ambience was very nice. The music playing was very soft, but no one was at the counter. So I went and they had a bell. So you just tap on the bell and you wait for someone to come. When the person come, hi, good day, welcome to so how may I help you, Mr. I said, I just came to.
You should ask them if they're not working there.
Yeah. But I said to him, say, I just came to check on the prices of the items and the sizes of the tacos. Oh, and then the eyes start go up on it in my head now, like him I say him, like him annoyed with my questions. So I say, all right, I'll come back with my friends here. Okay, thank you for coming in. I said,
I
just
know
get
they enjoy.
you turn me
The
off.
more
Turn
I never draw their words in the man.
No, me
me
not
off,
eat.
bad.
Me not eat.
Me not go there. Me not go there
Long
at
as me
all.
know me not come
You know
down
the
there.
aeroplane them must serve you. You go a fast food restaurant, they must serve you.
Hey, you know, so when me
On
apply
the
for a
bus,
plane and myself, you know,
on the bus they come and they stand
sometimes me
beside
not
you.
even
So
take nothing, you
what's
know.
the point? When I
What
run
about
from?
Then can't sit
man?
down side of it
All
and no
on the
bus.
plane when they come and them a come and a carry and them a go on like them a girl. Them the one them in nothing to do with it, you know what
Me
I
not
mean?
like them.
When they go at the back,
Once
when they go at the back,
once they know and put it to me, I'm good to go. Then go and stand and tell me then let's where me sit down and
Me
listen
not still
and
don't want to
laugh.
hear that. Me
Me
don't want
have
to
to
hear that.
laugh.
No, me
hey,
could have still.
Why not? A
Can't
human
give
being
it
like
then.
yourself, don't.
No, I know
I
human being.
don't
How you know say a
eat
human
them
being?
Man a
human
human
being
again.
Of
though.
course they're human being. They're
How
I
you know
don't
that?
human
know
being.
that. I
hey
How
don't
you
guys,
know
eat.
that?
No, sir.
Sparky.
me catch
You
one flight,
can't
you
tell
see?
that the
Me
part.
catch one flight from Vegas.
So what
Me
am I
catch
am
one,
I what, monkey?
me
Or
catch one,
Mammal
animal?
them, animal.
You
All
have
right.
to
me
No,
catch
they're
one
ask
human
nice.
plane.
But
being. They
Hear
just
me go
You
now.
have to
they
Yeah.
ask
just
See me
Isaac.
now?
living in sin.
Yes,
They,
plan.
Parker, see me there now?
You go
how
buy
much
now
dumpling that prank?
Three
about
dumpling, three dumpling,
a cartwheel.
three dumpling, me take.
You go buy
Huh?
now tonight, yeah. You
I
go
got it.
buy.
First round.
A cornmeal.
Where's the petal?
Carmiel, me can't buy no.
to me, them, me no want nothing. Me not got trouble them.
So
You,
politics.
Mr. Them
So
can play with you,
politics.
man.
So politics.
Politics. Let me ask politics a question there. Politics. Suppose they are church and everyone come to prayer.
Okay, okay.
I take your
Anna
level and
that.
give him some
If
rastling.
you not, if you, we are not under that, in go to hospital and have to do an emergency surgery and a be a gay there lesbian, you not gonna make them do it.
Them a go do it. Them a take
People
over.
not to wake up, yeah, man. And
We have to wake
Stop
up,
up.
or them
Stop
have to
up.
wake up.
And them have
Stop
to wake
up.
up.
people do what they have to do. We have to live
But you
amongst them
saw,
same way and get
Stop
on with
up,
you
our
saw
life.
sir.
live God do, you saw live God do, got you hear who's sparkling, so if you wake up,
And them if you wake up.
Of course, we have to wake up because we have
So
to
we
live
not see.
amongst them. Don't.
We not.
What we are
And
gonna
them if
do?
you wake
We
up.
can't avoid them. We can't avoid them.
They can't
We
avoid them. We stay
can't
out of their
avoid
way.
them. That's how you, but people in a certain working environment can't
You see,
avoid them.
when
You work with
they
them
come on my,
hands
you see,
on.
when they come on my shop, my grown eye back go sit down.
Like, me not that. Let me tell you something about me and we in our society where we have to deal with them. What I cannot handle is the over the
The
flamboyance
flamboyancy.
and
Man for
then
your clock, man.
and then guess what now no? Them always want some the one I encounter usually want some extra or the extra privileges about something. They want some them always a seek some like when you work with them closely, them
Validation.
always a seek some form of validation. Like me and this one now. The him thing is that him believe that the Jamaican people are against them, right?
Mm.
And to me, when you do that, you stereotype Jamaicans because quite frankly, I don't care what you do with your life. I
Right.
don't care. So when you are come now and you are come now and you are come and start up one vibes with me because you automatically believe that say me business boy you see because them have this thing about them know so them are do wrong
They
them
insecure
know
and they insecure
they're
about it too.
very insecure and that are them biggest problem. But by the way, when you see say when I talk about food, when you see say Jebren is a chef, When you see him pan in live at night time he come from work with all his chef at pan in head same way. That's what me I tell you. You know when you
Me
name
nah go for them. Me nah go for cause he hand shit up. Me nah go for them hotel where them a
no
cook.
no when you name about in the Ramada work as chef. Ramada in a Saint Kitts. No when you name you see him teeth and twist up. These days,
Can just imagine if a long
So
case can caffeine
so
food. When would
politics,
that do
like
and
how
when would that behave?
the way I'm vindictive.
politics,
Hey,
Yeah.
like how you're a pastor. So if you have gay that come in your church and want prayer, you wouldn't pray for them?
He does.
I mean,
yeah,
take his
yeah.
take it island and sit and give them
As,
some lick.
as me say now, don't get me
The
wrong,
demon out of them.
don't get me wrong, sparkling. My thing about it for us not to comfortable with it. So me now go come out and say burn them, shoot them, no violence against them. But the thing about it, what may I say, the female allow them to be comfortable. And to me, the female are my problem.
So what should the female do then?
I would know a friend
Draw
them.
the
Them
line.
for them right, that support them.
I would know a friend
But
them.
they
Like
are
I
And
say,
call
human.
Best
I
friend.
feel them. I feel them
and I
sex
call them
life.
and I call them
That I
auntie.
feel them. That I
like
feel
I
Call
them
man
sex
auntie.
life. But them are people. Them are human beings. So we
Them
have
are
to
not
talk
people.
talk
You
to
know,
them
say them
as
are people.
well. Oh, you mean
spark.
God say make us in His own image. Only
No, so
thing
God
that
about the man.
they know that it is an abomination unto God to go man to man or woman to woman. Plenty of we attack are plenty Jamaicans out there, and they have family member gay, they have
Yeah,
family
sparkle we
member a
not
lesbian.
sparkle we not say no, we not say no because
Suppose when a only child come in one day and
Cut
say,
him
"Oh,
off.
mom or dad, I'm gonna be gay. I'm gonna be this or that."
Me I cut him
They are
off.
people. Them are people. God still loves
Right?
them, but He doesn't love the sin that they
he
are
loves
doing.
he loves this sin he loves this sinner but he
The
doesn't love the sin.
sinners.
So
Sparkle,
what should we do
spark,
then, Sparkle?
sparkle,
Sparkling, may I hear that?
Pray
What
for
should we
them
do?
that they will change.
you
Pray for
can't
them
change
that they
them.
will change.
You can't change them, sparkle.
So
That's
Sparkle
what
spark.
I said. Pray.
sparkle
Listen,
one man.
listen to me, Petal. I didn't say I'm gonna. You should change them. Pray for them so they will change. Pray. Prayer changes things.
Sparkle.
Sparkle baby,
So
sparkle my
sparkle.
man. Hold on, let me talk to Sparkle for a second. Sparkle.
Sparkle.
Yeah, me, I listen.
What
I'm
plank one?
listening.
Sparkle, let me tell you
I'm
something.
listening.
Well,
So
let's talk
sparkle.
now.
One of my stepkids come home and tell us say he or she wanna be gay. You know, alright with that?
Plank there
No,
for me, plank with
I will sit them down. I will sit them down and say that's not the right direction. But if they said to
Develop a
me, well,
report.
it's my life, what am I gonna do? What am I gonna do? Disown
There's
them
there's nothing you
or
can do. Let
chase
me
them
tell you.
away?
Good
Let me
evening,
tell you.
brother.
Let me tell you
Spark,
something.
Spark,
Let me tell you
you
something,
talk
guys.
like you're a big supporter of this thing, sir.
No, let me
Listen
tell
to
you
me, man.
something.
Don't get
Guys,
me ready. Don't let me tell about you.
Sparkle. I want to
Don't come up here
Sparkle.
and say that.
Sparkle,
Who
calm
you think you
down.
is?
Calm down, Sparkle. Calm down. Calm
You
down. You
have
just
you have your own bloody opinion. Me have my bloody opinion as well.
Yeah,
Sparkle.
yeah, no
Sparkle,
make it
calm
get
down.
personal, Black. So,
Sparkle, calm down. Listen,
Chris,
guys.
no
Listen,
make it
guys.
get personal. Like, I
The
was a
truth, the
person.
truth of the matter. The truth of the matter is this, right?
Come on, no man, come up here, contact and some una sex woman in them ass and una sex man as well. Una come put your things.
Sparkle.
I will get on. I'm a kid. I'm afraid of
Oh my
Sparkle.
God, Sparkle, then come on.
Let me
Sparkle.
damn lion
What
asleep. Don't
happened,
wake the
Sparkle?
lion, yeah?
Sparkle, Sparkle,
Sparkle.
Don't wake the lion when
Sparkle,
the lion asleep.
Sparkle.
Alright,
I choose,
change
I
topic
choose
better.
Sparkle, I choose Sparkle. What's Sparkle,
No.
man?
Sparkle, don't go it, don't go it. Don't stop.
No, the truth of the matter is this, though, right,
No,
guys?
but
If you
Sparkle
change
no
your,
If
run
my any one of
away.
my
Be
picking come home
honest,
and say them
Sparkle
that
no run.
done, we done with
you
them. So
can't do nothing
we
about
No,
do.
you can't.
You
I
can't do
agree
nothing
with
about do.
done
Sparkle.
with them.
You
I
can't,
agree
We
with
no want no
Sparkle.
friend from them.
you can't say you got done with them, but you can't do nothing about them because you can't analyze them. You can't take them off of this earth.
I like them, but me no want no deal with them. Them done with me. Done.
Yeah, but guess what? Never tell you no one thing, right? Me, when me I grew up, when me I grew up, you have the make a boy next. How would that? How for phone I go so rich, sir?
No, no, for my phone now.
When me I grew up, you have me playmate. Him born must be about 6 weeks or so, about 5 6 weeks before me. And me I try to say from where I grew up.
Sparkle, hold on, Peter. Sparkle, come back. I believe where Blacks, but I got tell Blacks say, Blacks come in without Chris with that opinion whenever sounds so right. You can't judge people because Sparkle never really a cover for them, She just has put out some valid point.
Mm-hmm. You can't. There's nothing you can do about them. And in a this a world, I'm
Yes,
like
I'm
this
back.
a society where they have so much
I'll
right
calm down.
and
Alright?
privileges. We have to just like
Sparkle.
leave it. Come on, can you hear we are talk, man?
Sparkle good man.
Let me talk to me, woman. I want to you.
How to go
Sparkle, you alright
Sparkle?
now?
Well, me have two boy pick me, and me glad to them go up on the
How would
street
this up
and
your son
follow
name King? I
apart.
wish King, how would that have sir?
And if then
So we
did go
king
that
man,
way,
you know,
King
so
man,
is
our
it AI.
king.
You know, so
there's
is it
not
AI something.
there's nothing I could do. There's absolutely nothing I could do if I don't wear any clothes. Nothing, cause me care wipe them off my face I hurt. Cause that is an offense. That is a criminal offense.
Peter, did you know that
You could do
at one
something
point at
better.
my workplace, yeah, my
Mm.
manager, my manager married to a woman. My deputy manager married to a woman. My supervisor married to a woman. My colleagues, them, and I so how you gonna get yourself away from them? What you gonna do? Stop work?
Me and them not in an argument by
No,
their
but
life, though.
but
That's what I'm saying. And you work hands on with them. You work hands on. Two of you work together. What you gonna say to your
Me
manager?
gotta be,
Oh, I'm not working with her because I'm gay.
me gotta be cordial with them.
Yeah.
They now come home with me, and like when me say, like I one did bake chocolate chip cookie con give me, and I'm like, Jesus Savior, that
One
gonna
of them,
make
now, I said to her, have you ever tried a man before? And she said no. And I even said to her, I said, maybe if you try a man, then you might change your lifestyle. And she said, I don't think that will work. You understand? We were just there having genuine conversation. So when the girl come talk about like me as support, maybe he might want to in it.
sparkle.
Baby,
But
sir.
listen, you see the thing
Baby,
about
sir.
this, there
this
are many reasons.
That's why you know, tell me don't come in at the box,
There
because
are many
people
factors,
people
right?
see me
There are many
and think
factors.
because I don't speak a lot, but it's when you get me out, me will send you up, me not to send you up. That's
All
just
right,
my
sparkle.
time.
No matter
Me
say no.
just keep
Sparkle!
quiet.
No,
Sparkle!
no.
Let me
But
let me let me let me let me talk my frustration because if me not talk it, it not go done. So let
There
me just
are,
get it off my chest.
there are reasons why, right? There are, as what I said, some people are like that. Like I'm telling the boy, what my neighbor, for him a little boy, him teach we all a little girl learn to wine, dance, dinky mini, and him teach we. So him born the way there. Me I tell us from we little as a basic school, him a living girl.
Yeah.
You have some of them will get traumatized. Some of them get traumatized by woman or by man, and they cannot get to that sex anymore. So then go the opposite. You understand? So there are many.
Yeah.
Some of them get sexually.
But I
So there.
believe, me not believe, because Sparkin is not a bad person. He's a good guy. He come on too strong. And me don't do baby because me and
So
you
when a man
talking
is when a man
wrong
come on
way.
too strong to me, I wrong thing I go do.
That's saying, but he's not a bad
What you mean?
person.
So how will come on strong too?
My daddy dead already.
He's not a bad person. He
No
just
man now come go on like you. No, don't do it. Don't do it.
he,
And
he
I
just
chose
Let me
sparkle
tell you
attack.
something still.
Enough of them are about and
You
them
see,
are crying woman. Them are
you
the
see, we
freaky.
Jamaicans better, we live overseas. We
Mm-hmm.
kind of have a different viewpoint on
yes,
the upper, with
yes,
them kind of
yes,
people because it is more
yes.
accepted in these societies. You
Yeah,
understand?
and
But me,
even though me did even though I
I
was
give a joke.
talking, me understand because one of the things, God, it's something where we can't get because you go a doctor right now. I want them like doctor. You have doctor, lawyer. Most of the time, people in our society look and
Right
so
now,
when they
everybody
look
on the
at
part
it.
with TV, every man on the part of TV in England.
But
Shape.
remember, say, you know, one
A very
certain,
few straight
well,
man on the TV.
Rixa, remember, say, one certain station brand big, you know,
Yeah,
one
man.
certain big station brand big, where most,
hey, you see,
we don't know that station, then I call a name.
me know it.
Oh,
Say my job, right? My job. They, you see, they take so much emphasis on this thing. If you arrest a person and him tell us, and it's a man, and him tell us, say, yo, my pronoun are he, or is she, or her, you have to comply, you know, brother. You have to comply because he will sue you or
yeah.
sue the state if you call him out time pronoun. If he identify as such, you have to address him as such. So me understand where Sparkler say,
Yeah, man, me understand,
and
you know, but we just, me just,
they
you
put
know,
be emphasis